What's up guys, how are you? Today we'll learn how to share internet connection from your Android device to PCs via USB cable. First you'll have to go setting, then go to personal hotspot, click on that. Click on other sharing mode, then click on share phone network via USB. After that you will get internet in your PC, but sometimes you need a special software for particular phone, then you will have to download it. So thanks for watching my video. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it, share it, like it and comment.